Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Peppa Pig and her friends. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose. Draw her cheek under her eyes and a smiling mouth. Then draw two ears. Do you know what Peppa's favorite thing to do is? That's right, jumping in muddy puddles. I continue with her body. Draw two hands. And her curly little tail. Now draw her two legs. Can you wiggle your arms like Peppa when she gets excited? Give it a try. Next to her, I draw Susie sheep, starting with Susie's face. Draw two little ears. Then I draw the body with her tail, her hands, and her two legs. Susie is Peppa's best friend. Do you have a best friend like Susie too? What's their name? Next to Susie, I draw Pedro Pony. He is wearing glasses. Then I draw his nose, his smiling mouth, and his two ears like this. Next, I draw his hands and his body. Pedro loves dressing up as a cowboy. What would you dress up as today? A pony, a pirate? Okay, right here I draw Rebecca Rabbit, starting with two cute eyes. Draw her two ears like this. She has long ears. Then I draw her body. Rebecca loves carrots. Can you hop like a bunny and say crunch? Crunch? Next to her, I draw Candy Cat. I draw the cat whiskers. Then I draw Candy's body with two hands, a tail, and two legs. Can you meow like Candy? Say it with me. Meow meow. Finally, I draw Danny Dog, starting with his nose. Then I draw his face with two eyes, a nose, and a smiling mouth. Draw his two ears. Then I draw his body. Danny loves pirate stories. Can you say ahoy, matey, like a pirate pup? Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint Peppa's dress. Then I color her skin light pink. Now I'm going to use this color to paint Susie's sheep. Then I color Pedro with dark yellow and yellow. For Rebecca, I use pink, sky blue, and cream. tiny dog, I color his suit purple, light brown, and gray. Wow, look at all the colors, it's like a rainbow of friends. Great job, everyone! If you liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!